So here's a PPF test. Here is a 140 that we PPF'd a little while ago, and it has been keyed down the whole side, pretty nastily actually, down to the metal in some places. Whole side, really nasty. Can't understand why people do this. Really nastily, but we PPF'd the wing, bonnet, bumper, the pillars, a few other bits on this car when this owner bought it. So we've started taking off the film here at the front, so you can see the keying line, and you can see that the film has saved this part of the wing from the keying. Now you can see here the key has taken off the plastic, so I'm hoping that this has saved the wing, because if it has, that means, because if you have to paint that wing, you'll probably have to blend, the body shop would probably want to blend the colour into the bonnet. So then you'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 panel respray. So what I'm hoping is that wing doesn't need a respray, in which case we've probably halved the cost of the paint work that this car needs. So the PPF was definitely worth it. So I'm just going to go and get some hot water and pass the camera over, and then you can watch me peeling off this film, and we'll see if it saved this wing from needing painting. So a bit of hot water, one of the top ways to get film off. Oh, you can see it's broken. It has broken the film, but at the moment, no marks on the wing. Let's keep going. This is the bit we're really worried about. So you can see it's cut the film enough to split the film, but no damage to the wing. Wow, I'm hopeful, guys. I'm super hopeful. Okay, so last bit. So you can see the scratches in the film. What the guys that keyed this didn't know was we wrapped the back edges wherever possible with PPF. So as you can see, that back edge is hidden. And there you go. Absolutely, you can see the scratch in the film there. There's the scratch in the film, but no scratch on the wing at all. So we've saved that wing, thank goodness, which means no wing, no bonnet paint.